you ever seen anyone and thought I would be so lucky if I could find their Instagram, but you are too shy to ask? In this video, I am going to help you find Instagram users near you. Let's say I open my Instagram and head over to the search section. And here you can search either the name of the city or the name of that specific place that you're at. For example, I'm gonna search Madrid. And here, instead of tapping on any of these other ones, I'm just going to tap on the first one. And as you can see here, if I tap on places, it shows me all the locations with that name. And from those ones, you can check and see all the posts that people have posted that are on that specific location. And even if you tap on recent, you're going to be able to see all the recent posts on that location. I think we all agree that we do need this feature to be able to find nearby Instagram users. So I hope Instagram adds that feature in the nearby future. Also, don't forget to subscribe.